Morning.
My name is Alfreda. I'm live in Senri and come from Bukai. I will come to talk about Buddha and Rahula. Rahula, the only one of the Buddhas. Buddha. He became a moving monk when he was young. He had about 7 or 8 years old. He was youngest in Sangha. All the monks loved and spoiled to him. Rahula did whatever he liked. Sometimes he told lies just for fun of it. One day, the Buddha called and said him, please bring me a basin of water for me. I want to wash my feet. Rahula take and give to basin of water to the Buddha. The Buddha wash his feet in basin of water. Then ask Rahula, would you drink this water? No, it's dirty. Rahula replied. Then the Buddha asked Rahula to throw the water away. The Buddha said, when water gets dirty, no one wants to drink. The same for those who tell lies. No one cares. Them for animals. No one cares for them animals. Tears of shame come to face. Tears of shame come to Rahula's eyes. We should always tell the truth, no lying. In this story, I very like Rahula because he is a very good kid or good child. He is, how do you call it in English? He is one son of nine. How do you call it in English?
Clever.
Never. He's very very have one is said. If I want to got this word sent grab wrote the sand.
Pick up the sand.
Pick up the
Pick
sand.
up the sand. Some sand.
He said he picked up the sand and said, if I have a lot master like this sand, very good for me. Thank you.